In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe with Claude using the built-in connector. And then I will also show you some 3 examples how you can use this integration in a real work. So let's get started. Claude now includes a built-in Stripe connector, which means you don't have to deal with API keys or developer settings. You can simply connect it from your profile. So I'm going to open my profile in Claude. Then I will click on the settings. And from the settings, you have this option connectors. You want to click on browse connectors, and here we want to find our Stripe. So I'm going to search for it, and we want to click on this plus icon next to it. And this is going to redirect us to Stripe page where you want to connect your account. So you can either choose a live account or test mode. You can also switch the account from here if you click on switch account, and we want to enable this MCP access. This is basically like a bridge that allows Claude to talk to other apps. So if this is turned off on my account, we can't use it properly. So we have to enable it for this account, right? And after that, you want to choose your permissions. So you have, let's say, you can grant access to read your accounts, your balance, or etc. So you have many different things over here. So you can choose from specific permissions you want to allow. So I'm gonna keep it like for all permissions right, so we can test it. So it's going to be able to also read and also write some data into the system. Okay, then simply click on authorize. Authorization successful. You can now close this window. And now we should be able to see our Stripe in our connectors. So you can see the configure button next to it. You can still configure permissions from here. After this, we can try some prompts, right? So I'm gonna go to the new chat. As in first example, I prepared this prompt so Claude can pull your daily revenue, compare it to previous days, analyze trends, and explain what's happening in your business. Imagine you want a quick overview of how your business performed today. Instead of logging into Stripe, clicking through charts, and comparing numbers manually, you can just ask Claude simple prompt like this, and it's going to tell you everything you need to know. You can see I currently don't have anything on my Stripe, so my payments are empty. I have also the testing account, but if you have any informations in Stripe, it's going to pull them out and you will see all your summaries from here. Okay, so I can see I have total revenue 0 today, yesterday also 0, and last 7 days 0 as well. We have some number of payments, so everything is correct because I know I didn't make any payment and I have 0 revenue. But in your case, if you have some, you will see it over here and you don't have to manually search for it in Stripe. So this is really good way how you can use Stripe with Claude. Okay, so this was the first example. So another example is customer insights and behavior analysis. So what I mean, I'm gonna paste my prompt, which I have prepared. And with this, we can analyze my Stripe customers from the last 30 days. And we want to identify the highest value customers. So top 10 customers, customers with multiple failed payments, customers likely to churn, most purchased products, and countries with the highest conversion rate. Explain the insights in the simple language. This prompt is going to basically tell you who are your best customers, who is at risk of churning, who buys the most, or who refunds the most. So I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna leave all those prompts in my description so you can use them for your case and you can try it. So you can see if I had some customers, there would be which are top 10 highest value customers. Then there would be which payment methods fails most. So you can then do something with it. Also, you will see the most purchased products. So you can, let's say, adjust pricing for those products. Okay, so this was the second example quickly. So the third example is generating financial reports and invoices automatically. So Claude can create monthly revenue reports, summarize refunds, break down subscription revenue, generate invoices, export transaction summaries, and explain financial trends. So I'm gonna send this prompt and we will see what we get. And after that, Claude should generate full report that you can, let's say, send to your accountant, share with your team, or use it for planning. So you can see your total revenue, subscription revenue, one-time payments, net revenue after refunds, some payment activity. You also have like a chart created from here. You have top products by revenue, revenue by country, balance summary, customer growth. You can, for example, also create invoices. So if you create prompt like create me invoice for customer, you're gonna add your name of your customer using my Stripe data. And we want to include products purchased, prices, taxes, total amount, payment status, and invoice number. And we are going to send this. This is going to remove the manual work of creating reports and invoices. So you can see everything from your Stripe. This is my company. You have some example of your customer. This is the invoice number. And you can see a description of our purchases, of all purchases. So you can see some quantity, price, tax, and then total amount. And this is basically how you can create easy invoices with Stripe integration. And this was all for this video. So I wanted to show you some examples how you can use Stripe with Claude. And I'm gonna leave the prompts in the description so you can try them. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.